Chicmas, day 20. Happy Sunday, or when you're watching this, happy Monday. So I am about to get on a Zoom call with 411MOMMAS, and there are going to be about over 50 mamas for this Zoom call. It's hosted by my friend Nicole, Mommy Tips by Cole, who is also the founder of 411MOMMAS here on YouTube. Also Stephanie Davis. So I just made my little name sign and we're gonna go log into Zoom right now. I just quickly kind of threw on some makeup just so that, you know, we look kind of decent. All right, so let's log in. Whole itinerary plan. We're just waiting for everybody to come into the room. We're admitting everybody in.
So we are recording this, guys. So we'll put it on our YouTube. Happy holidays, everyone. Happy holidays to all of you.
We kind of glazed over the whole day today. Honestly, today was just super busy. And then after the Zoom call, we just had dinner, which I was going to vlog, but then I think because I was talking to my parents. And, you know, we were just having a, family discussion. Nothing bad, but we were just chatting and everything. By the time I knew it, I forgot to vlog the food, which I apologize, I didn't vlog that. But I wanted to kind of just have like a little chit chat, tea time, which we always do chat during tea time, but we're gonna be, we're gonna be sharing a little bit more today. Go ahead and start with our tea, open our advent calendars. I don't know if you can tell, but I did the crappiest job today on applying my makeup and like applying my lashes. If I'm in a hurry, best believe I know I'm gonna mess up on my lashes. So this right here is a given. It's like falling all over the place. First, start with our English Tea Shop Organic Tea Advent Calendar, day number 20. I said that weird, 20. Fruity, spooky spice. Organic green tea with cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, cloves, nutmeg, and pepper. No, this is one of the teas I did enjoy. So yes, okay, good. Trader Joe's Advent of the Cocktail Hour Chocolate Truffles Advent Calendar, day number 20, right over here. We have a white one, which is, oh no! It's another freaking peach Bellini. Joseph's Gourmet Popcorn Advent Calendar right here. Today's joke of the day is, why shouldn't colonels catch a flight? Give up because their ears will pop. And today's popcorn, we have caramel and white chocolate popcorn. I wanted to chat with you about Darren, our son Darren. I'm pretty sure many of you know, in case if you are new here on my channel, we have a 20-year-old son. His name is Darren. He's going to be 21 in March. He is currently serving in the Army. He's a U.S. paratrooper. And he's been serving now since he was 18. He's been fortunate enough to come home every Christmas. So this is the first Christmas where he will not be home for the holidays. And thankfully, with just technology, we are able to speak with him and like video chat with him almost every day. Which we are extremely grateful for. Don't think I even really mentioned it here on my YouTube channel, and I didn't really even mention it on any of my other socials, but he is currently stationed in Baghdad. Because of the pandemic, his deployment was delayed. He did share with me this video, and I asked him if it was okay if I could share it on Instagram, because when I saw the video, it just like brought the biggest smile to my face. And honestly, like I even had like just like tears, which I'm like tearing up a little bit. I don't know why. I think it just, when it comes to your, sorry, hang on a second. When it comes to your loved one, it just, it just really brings me so much joy, and really brought tears to my eyes. So with his permission, I asked if I could share it with you. So I'll cut to the clip now, and I'm gonna like dry my tears.
From Baghdad, Iraq, I'm Command Sergeant Major Puckett.
And I'm Paul Calvert, the commander of Operation Inherent Resolve. We have a mission to ensure the lasting defeat of Daesh in Iraq and Syria.
But while we remain focused on the task at hand,
we hope each of you will take the time to connect with friends and families for a Merry Christmas.
Please check on a buddy and look after your squad so that all can enjoy a happy holidays.
And a Happy New Year.
Hope you enjoyed that little clip. Let me actually try the tea really quickly before I chat some more. The tea is good. Super proud of him, and I guess you could see it just makes me like feel emotional. Of course, who wouldn't feel emotional, right? I mean, even though he's 20, gonna be 21, he's still our son, right? We do share the majority of our life with you here on YouTube. Of course, there are, some things which we do keep private, and this was one of the things that we did keep private, you know, just to respect Darren's privacy. Let's first try the chocolate before I share something else with you. I'm so over peach Bellini. Go ahead and try the caramel and white chocolate popcorn. This one's good. I'm not sure if you remember, but a few months back, probably around, I would say like May or June, we sent a care package to Darren, and it was filled with just like all these Filipino snacks and all of these candied pecans that my mom had baked. And I didn't really mention where we were sending it to. I think it just seemed like we were sending it to where he was stationed at the time, which was Fort Bragg. This is before deployment, but we actually sent it to Iraq, and it did take about like 3.5 weeks for him to receive it. So that's the reason why it was just filled with a lot of just like snacks and junk food, just a little bit of like comfort food from home. And I know that he did share it with his company. He did send over a box of some goodies, like some souvenirs from Iraq that he wanted to, you know, send to us. And I wanted to share one of them with you because I thought it was really, really thoughtful, very sweet, and it has to do with Hello Kitty, but it's a bit different. It is this, I don't know if it's like a jewelry box or what you would call it, but it has Hello Kitty on it, and she has a, she's actually holding a rifle. A very thoughtful gift from Darren. So when you open it, I mean, it even says Iraq right down here. I believe this is handcrafted. It's a handcrafted box. And when you open it, let's open it here. When you open it, it does have a velvet lining on the inside. And I guess you can keep jewelry in here, or maybe like sentimental items. And yeah, I just thought I would share it with you because I was so taken back when he sent it over, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's Hello Kitty, but she's holding a rifle. It does say Combined Joint Task Force Operation Inherent Resolve. So I don't think I mentioned that, but that's what it says on the front. So this was a little souvenir from Darren. I'm just really happy that we can now share it with you that Darren has been stationed in Iraq for the past few months. So let's actually go through comments. We're gonna go with Sherry Williams. Hey Sherry. Oh my gosh, it's been a long time. Hello Christine, long time no see. I stopped getting alerts when you put up a new video. Not sure why. I thought maybe you took a break, so now I have to catch up on your videos. Thank you so much for commenting, Sherry. And yeah, I think the last time I saw your comment was, wow, it's been a while. I think even probably like since the beginning of the pandemic. So it's been quite some time. I hope you're doing well, and I hope your family's doing well. Thank you for letting me know that you stopped getting notifications. YouTube is just really strange sometimes. I hear some people saying that if you don't get the notifications, maybe sometimes the best thing to do is unsubscribe to me and then resubscribe and then hit the bell, so that kind of activates it. But I don't really know. That's just what I hear. But you know, maybe give that a try and maybe it will notify you. Thank you so much for commenting. Patty Hernandez. Hey Patty, 100% night owl, LOL. Thank you so much for commenting, Patty. And yes, most likely after Chicmas, I'm probably gonna become a night owl again. So thank you so much for commenting. I'm gonna go ahead and end Chicmas day 20 here, and I hope you enjoyed, just a little update as well on how Darren's doing. So if you enjoyed hanging out today and enjoyed this vlog, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you tomorrow for Chicmas day 21. Mwah.